out, Janine.
I'm excited.
I got this for my birthday, and now I'm going to share with everybody what I got. This is another thing I can put in my outdoor kitchen.
I can't wait.
I know, you know what?
It's a home smoker.
I know, it's a smoker, but you know, it can be used for so many things. And I want to thank my niece Sabrina and Will for giving this to me. They gave me a gift card from Amazon. And you guys, if you want to get it on Amazon, this is the place to get it. But it's you can use it inside or out. Except I'm just doing the outside. So here we go. I'm trying to get it out of the box. It's well packed. And, well, it might help. Okay. But I was so excited when I saw this, and I've been thinking about getting this, and then when I got, okay, I got to do this down here. Okay. I got to push it out, maybe. That's it.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. There's more and more way to, oh, there it goes. That's what it needed. It just needed a good hefty shove out of the box. Woohoo! Oh, there's a good picture. There's a good picture of it.
Okay.
Okay, it's the Nordic Ware 365 indoor-outdoor. And of course, I'm doing this outdoor. But that's the neat thing about it. You can do it on your cooking stove, which my whole thing is to do it on the outside. Okay, so let's finish unpacking here.
Okay.
I'm going to set this down. Okay, so let's see what's in here.
Let's get it a little bit over here so we can see everything.
Share. Okay. And,
it comes with a DVD or something like that. There we go.
It shows you how to do it on a DVD, and it gives you a little recipe. I'm excited about smoking almonds. Oh, smoked almonds.
Oh my goodness, high five for that.
High five for that. Oh, I am telling you. Now this is the actual where you put your food.
Yes.
And it's nonstick. See all the holes? See all the holes? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so that's where the smoke comes through to whatever you're going to do. Okay, inside, and this is it. Okay. Wow, oh here.
Oh, yes.
Okay, it's pretty deep.
And it came with starter chips?
It came with starter chips, and feel how heavy that is. That is
starter chips.
Yeah, that's
apple smoking.
Ooh, apple, and this is hickory.
Hickory and apple.
Yeah, so they get you started.
That's
I know
neat.
you can sell it everywhere. You can pick these up anywhere you can get barbecue stuff. So I'm excited about that. I think this is just a placeholder. I don't think anything's in here. Oh, yeah, there is.
Oh,
the thermometer.
Let
me tell you something. This I was really excited about.
Yes.
Because it's hard to know exactly the temperature.
Right. Yes.
And you need to know that.
Oh,
so
my
this
goodness.
is how it goes. Look
yes.
at this. Look at this here. Okay. All right. So you put your chips in here. A couple of tablespoons. And then you put this on top. On top of there.
Okay.
And then you can do a dry, or you can put, some guys put beer. You know, have beer chicken or whatever.
Right.
You know, they can do that, or dry, or just any liquid if you want to have a moist thing to do that. And then whatever you're cooking, because you don't have to use the smoker at all. You could just use this to put different kinds of foods in. They say you can even put pizza in there. I'm excited about that.
Yeah.
That's a small pizza. That's a personal thing. But this is so cool. Of course, you can, oh, look at here. This is what got me.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of things got
me. Well, cooking temp is so important.
It's
everything.
So you put your stuff in there. Say this is whatever you're going to cook.
Right.
And they tell you, and then you set, and look at that's a nice high dome.
I like the red. Yes.
And then look at here.
It's a high dome.
It is a high. Whoopsie. Okay, so anyway, this slides right in. I don't know if I have it on right now. It fell. Okay, this goes right in here. And it goes in here so you can keep track of your temperature.
Yes.
And then they say to do, I don't know. I don't have it on backwards. Anyway, I'll just take this out for now. Anyway, then you put this around. It has to be like 220 to smoke. And I do like smoked salmon.
Yes.
I'm anxious to try that. And so you pull this around, and so you know, well, You pull it around.
Mother gets a new gadget and destroys it.
Oh, I know. It's all that's in there. It just snaps back on.
That's going to be the title.
It snaps back on. Okay, so it's around 200 to 210. And so this is a good way, if you see the little thing going up there, okay, it's time to turn down the heat, or
right.
Don't put so many. Yeah, I'll put that on there. I know it goes one way or the other,
It goes. True enough. True enough.
So I thought maybe it'd go like that. Let's see.
I think it does.
Okay.
Because it's has a curve.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well.
Well, I think yes. Okay.
Okay. We'll figure that out.
It out. Okay.
Yeah. All I have to do is look at the thing. So anyway, I wanted to share. This is going in my outdoor kitchen. I know. I keep saying I'm gonna. I will. I'll put a video up in my outdoor kitchen. But this can go either on my 2-burner propane, or my my grill has that other burner on the end.
Yes.
Yeah. So and I also can put this on my rocket stove.
That's right.
Yeah.
And you can use it inside.
Yes. I mean,
crazy.
isn't this a great tool?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I'm really excited.
Okay,
family. I just love you all. And if you want to try this, it wasn't expensive. It was like, I think $60, whatever. And
right.
I really appreciate it. And a shout out to all my family. And subscribe if you haven't. And I'll put some smoked almonds. We'll do that next. I'll put a video up on the smoked almonds. Ooh, I like smoked nuts.
Yes.
Okay. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.